I do this video because a kid with almost 1.5 million subs is deleting my comment for some reason. While I am trying to help finding a solution on how to upload edited shorts on your YouTube channel and adding music to it. While this guy keeps deleting my comments, and I think that he does this nonsense videos for clicks and views, I decided to do it on my own to help you finding an easy way to get your favorite music on your shorts. While it is impossible to upload an edited short with music, except no copyright music, from your PC to YouTube, I found an easy way to get it done, and it is also free. On your PC, you are simply going to download Simple Transfer Desktop. The link for the app is in the description. As you can see, this is a free app and it has quite a few good reviews. Now go ahead and take your phone. Go to your App Store and search for the same app, Simple Transfer Photo Plus Video, and download it. Now connect your phone via cable to your PC. Start the app on both devices. On the desktop app, you get asked a 4-digit code which pops up on your phone app. Type them in to pair both devices. You are now able to upload and download videos and photos from both devices. The videos are being saved in your gallery on the phone. However, if you want to upload videos or photos from your phone to the PC, you have to choose a folder where you wish to save them. Now, while you have your edited video on your phone, go to your YouTube app, upload the video and choose the music you like, and you might choose one popular title. So you might increase the viewer count and that your short will get shown on short feed from users. And that is it. I do not know if there is any other solution, but if so, you can of course tell me in the comments. I hope this was helpful. If so, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to write me. I won't delete your comment.